Today we're talking NFA, National Firearm Act, and the Firearm Protection Act of 1986. What does it mean for you? What does it do? And what's happening? Well, the National Firearm Act basically states that any NFA items, destructive items, sounds pretty cool, suppressors or silencers, short barrel rifles, and short barrel shotguns, among other items, plus pre-1986 machine guns, which was banned under the Hughes Amendment on the Federal Firearm Protection Act of 1986. All of those items you can own, but you need to have special governmental protection or an application. And the government basically has a full application, responsible party. There are lots of forms that you have to fill out. You're making an application to the ATF, alcohol, tobacco, and firearms, to be able to carry these NFA items, the destructive items, and they have many restrictions. You need to be a proper responsible party. You need to pass a NICS test, which is all of the background to make sure that, you don't have any convictions and that you're safe to own a firearm. There are tons of restrictions on them too. A suppressor, once you have what's called the tax stamp, which is what's going to zero in January, it used to be $200. Once you have that, you need to carry that paper around to make sure that you are, if a policeman pulls you over, to make sure that you're legal to carry that NFA item. Now, if you have a short-barreled rifle or a short-barreled shotgun, there are additional things that you need to do if you are moving from state to state. You need to fill out Form 20 showing that you have to go from, say, Louisiana to Texas. You need to give them an address in Texas, when you're going, and you need to make sure that all that paperwork is approved before you leave. Now, if you're going to a state that doesn't allow suppressors, you need to know that ahead of time. Otherwise, you can get in big trouble. Now, if you have questions about that or want to know, hey, what are all these gun laws and what are they doing, give us a call at the Bradley Law Firm. We'd be happy to help.